I live in this world because of love. You're my everything under the sky above. I breathe every day 'cause I miss you. Without you here, my heart feels blue. If this whole world had no love inside, even with it all, it'd feel hollow and dry. You and I once made that vow to love till the end, we mean it now. Even if lifetimes pass me by, I'll still love you, no need to lie. You and I were meant to be one heart, one path, one destiny. I keep this love deep in my chest till the final breath, till we rest. I'll do anything, anywhere in this whole world just for love. I'll pull the stars down from the sky, put them in your hands, watch your eyes light up. I'll cross every mountain, every low valley, just to hold you close, just you and me. Even if my life ends someday, I'll never let pain come your way. Remember this truth, everything I do is for you. The reason I smile is because of you. Standing by my side in everything you do. All my worries fade when you're near. Sadness disappears when I hold you near. Don't ever let go of what we found. This love's the reason my feet touch ground. Without you here, I wouldn't be. You're the air, the heart inside of me. I'll do anything, anywhere in this whole world just for love. I'll pull the stars down from the sky, put them in your hands, watch your eyes light up. I'll cross every mountain, every low valley, just to hold you close, just you and me. Even if my life ends someday, I'll never let pain come your way. Remember this truth, everything I do is for